So Soumya and Praneeth went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. The water had 5 liters. Soumya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. So of the water I have told you. So 2 by 5 of the water. So that means 5 liter, 2 by 5 by 5. That is 2 liter. So Soumya consumed 2 liter. Praneeth consumed the remaining water. So Praneeth consumed how much? 2 liter Soumya consumed, total 5. So remaining will be 5 minus 2, 3 liter. How much water did Soumya drink? 2 liter. Got it? What fraction of total quantity of water did Praneeth drink? So bhai, how much Praneeth drank? Praneeth drank 3. That is a numerator. Out of how much? What was the total amount? 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 is the fractional amount that Praneeth has consumed. Simple. Deepika reads a book for 3 hours every day, per day. In one day she studies these many hours. That means I can just change it. Denominator 4, if you remember, 1 into 4 plus numerator. 4 into 1, 4 plus 3, 7 by 4 hours per day. So in one day she reads for 7 by 4 hours. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours you know? So in one day, the unitary method. One day she reads 7 by 4 hours. So in 6 days, how many hours she will study? 7 by 4 into 6. Simple. So numerator, denominator both can be divided by 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 7 into 3, 21 by 2 hours. Total 21 by 2 hours. Or you can change it 2 into 2, 21. Complete days by 2, 21 remaining. So 10, 1, 2. These many hours. These two are same. Done. So these two things we have covered. 2 more questions left. Vinita traveled 15 kilometer 268 meter by metro. 7 kilometer in these many meters by cab and on foot to reach her. How far is her office? So in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meter. So in 15 kilometer she used 15,000 meter. Then 268 meter. 15 kilometer 268 meters. 268 meters 7 kilometer means 7,000 meter. And how will I write? So I'll just write in meters how much she used actually. So 15,000 meters plus 268 meters, 7 kilometer, 7,000 meter plus 7 meter plus 500 meter. This much total distance she has covered. That is the distance of her office from her residence. Now when you add like this 15,000. I can add like this only, but just to avoid confusion, and start writing from the right side. 8, 6, 2. If it is point, if it is decimal, let's say we are adding 4.2 plus 3.31. So I'll just write 4.2 and I'll put the decimal first, left side of decimal right like this, and right side of decimal like this, 3, 1. Then I can put 0 here and then I'll do the application. But here, I'll do the right side. 7,000, 0, 0, 0, 7. Why like this? Because 7,000 is like point and point to left side. 7 and 500, 0, 0, 5. Now you add simply. So simple, where there is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, just to make your calculation easier. 8 into 7, 15, 5, 1, 7, 5, 7, 2, 1, 2. These many meters. So if 22775 meters, And if I want to convert this into kilometer, so I'll divide by 1000, because in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters. Then if I want to get the point, then 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0 I'll remove. Point is here, so it will move by 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 22.775 kilometer. Got it? Simple. Next question. Aniket bought vegetables weighing 10 kg. You got it? Out of this, onion is 3 kg 500. 3 kg 500 is onion. And 2 kg 75 gram is tomatoes. Rest is potato. That means potato will be 10 minus 3 kg 500. 10 kgs में से 3 kg 500, and that is 3.5 kg. And 75 grams. So 75 grams, if I want to convert it into kgs, I'll divide by 1 kg is 1000 grams, right? So I'll just remove 1, 2, 3, 0. So what I'll do, I will do 1, 2, 1, 0, 0.07. 0.075 kgs. So this will be 2 kg plus 0.075 kg. That is total 2.075 kgs. So I'll here add 2.075. I'll just do this calculation and I'll find the answer. So it's simpler. I'll just add this 3.5. First I'll do this in bracket calculation. 3.5, 2.075. So I'll add 0 here. 5, 7, 5, 5. 5.575. Now I'll subtract 5.575. Again I'll put 0 here and I'll minus this. Right? Two kg. Okay. 25 gram. Okay. 4.425 kg. If you will do the subtraction correctly. So that's how I converted grams into kgs, but you can convert kgs into grams also. That would be easier. That would be easier because simple. 3 kg, 1 kg is 1000 grams. So 3 kg is 3000 grams plus 500 grams. 2 kg is 2000 grams plus 75 grams. So these many grams is total vegetable, that is tomato and tomato plus onion. So if I add this will be 3000, 500, 005, 2000, 0002, 75, 5, 7. I'll just add 0 here. 5, 7, 5, 5. These many grams is tomato and onion. Remaining is potato. Total is 10 kg. 10 kg means into 1000 grams. That is multiplying 10 into 1, 10, and number of zeros you will increase. How do you multiply? You keep the zeros, 1 into 1, and number of zeros, 0. 10,000 gram was total. So I'll just subtract this. 5, 7, 5, 5. These many grams will be potatoes. So if I just do this, so this will be 10, 5, this is 9, and this will also be 9, and this will become 0. 2, 4, 4. These many grams. So 4425 grams, and if I want to change it to kg, I'll divide it by 1000. 1, 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3, 4.425 kgs. So these many kgs is potato. Okay, so we have done the enough calculations in the basic numeracy thing. So I think regarding considering the recent change in the CSAT paper